Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald and today we're going to be checking out the 2024 Cadillac XT4. Now before we get started with the video, I know a lot of you guys are in the market for a new or used vehicle or maybe even a Cadillac XT4. If you guys use the link in the description or in the pinned comment, I'll make sure you get the absolute best price on any new or used vehicle. But without further ado, let's jump into the Cadillac XT4. So this is the 2024 Cadillac XT4 Premium Luxury. Now we have a very interesting front end on this vehicle. As you can see, we have our turn signals right there with an LED running strip all the way next to it. That bulb right there is going to be your headlights. Same design on both sides, and you also notice we do have our grille right here. So this is going to have the Cadillac logo in the center. You can see the little V's in the honeycomb. Has a very interesting front end design. This one is finished in the crystal white tri-coat. It also has black accents up front on the lower portion, and it is powered by a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder motor that's going to give you 235 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Here's the key for the Cadillac XT4. You have your lock, unlock, remote start, tailgate, and panic button features. Moving over to the wheels, they're wrapped in Continental Pro Contact tires. As you can see there, these are 235/60/18s. They're the same size up front as they are in the back, and you'll notice we have the cool Cadillac logo right there in the center. For the side profile of this vehicle, it has a very sporty design. You'll notice we have a very sporty appearance on the top, leading to that back spoiler. Our fuel fill up is going to be on the passenger side, so you can open that up by walking up to it, pushing on it, and you have the capless gas fill system. And the Cadillac XT4 premium fuel is recommended, so pay attention to that. Moving to the rear, we have a very interesting taillight design. As you can see there, the lights go all the way up to the roof of the vehicle. We have dual exhaust tips for that 2.0 turbo 4-cylinder. We have our parking sensors in the back, XT4 Cadillac, and the 350T logo in the back. Now we can open up this tailgate with this button right under here, so let's go ahead and push that. Opens up power for us, and if you want to close it back, you can use the key or push this button. Inside of here we have a cargo cover, we have storage space right below that, and extra storage space underneath here with our tire inflator kit. So this one does not come with a spare tire, so if your tire becomes flat, you'll have to use that inflator kit. Those seats will fold down for extra storage space. And let's go ahead and close this up and take a look at the second row. Also on the door handles, we have the keyless entry system. So you can push that button and lock or unlock the vehicle with the key in your pocket. For our door accents, we're going to have beige with black leather all the way around with an aluminum door handle. You can see your window controls, storage up top, and storage down below. Inside of here, we have pretty good space for 2 full-size adults. Let's hop inside and check it out. So I'm about 6 foot tall on a good day. I have plenty of leg room, decent headroom. As you can see there, this is about eye level for me. We have storage behind the driver and passenger side, 2 AC vents, heated seats back here, USB-C and a USB. We also do have our cup holders here in the middle, 2 cup holders right there, or you can use it as an armrest. Leather inside here is very nice and soft, and you'll also notice we have the Cadillac V logo right here. There is a moonroof above us that will open all the way up. That is powered by the driver. Let's go up front and take a look at some features. We have the same accents on the driver's door, as you can see there, just with a few added extra buttons. We can fold in our mirrors by pressing that button, and you'll also see the car right there in the corner. That car right there will light up orange if there's something in your blind spot. We have memory seats with 2 different settings and an exit setting. And we can also open up the tailgate all the way 3/4 or cut it off completely. Now, if you push that button right there, it will open up that tailgate, and you can close it back by pushing that same button. You also do have an umbrella holder and a full power driver's seat with massage functions. Let's go ahead and hop inside and start her up. As soon as we close the door, we have this beautiful LED screen that wraps all the way across the front with the Cadillac logo in the middle. This vehicle has a push button start, so you can put your foot on the brake, hit this button, and she will come to life. First thing we'll start with is the steering wheel. So it is a leather wrapped steering wheel. We have our cruise control on the left side, heated steering wheel, forward collision, hands-free voice controls, and call dropping. On the right side, we can scroll up and down through our menu, or go to our music and phone. You can also go up or down through your music and turn the volume down or up. We have paddle shifters behind the steering wheel so we can downshift or upshift, and we have our display right here that will show how many miles are on the vehicle, our fuel range, and our tire pressure. You also do have some adjustments on the left side, so you can go to your Google Maps, and you have a clean mode. You also do have a couple tabs on the left side, so you can see your trip odometer, and you can also control your heads-up display. So the heads-up display is located right there in the center. You can move that up or down, change the brightness, or rotate it. We have an AC vent for the driver, 2 in the middle, and 1 for the passenger side. Really cool looking dashboard on this vehicle with these accents stitched inside the middle right there. And we also have our large touchscreen on the right side as well. In this touchscreen, we're going to have our vehicle status, Google Assistant, Google Play Store, settings, climate, Wi-Fi hotspot, audio. We also do have the Google Maps, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. You also have some more apps if you swipe right. And we have our main screen. We have all of our AC controls in one place. It does have dual zone climate control, so the passenger side can be different from the driver's side. We have cooled and heated seats up front for the driver and passenger. We can activate our parking sensors, hazards, or our lane keep assist system. We have more storage right here in the middle. So as you can see there, we have our USB-C, USB, and a cigarette lighter port with this storage cubby. You can also close that if you prefer it that way. In the middle, we're going to have 2 cup holders. We also do have our electronic precision shifter, so you can shift by hitting this button on the side. You can go down for reverse, down again for manual mode, up a little bit for neutral, and all the way up for reverse. Here's our backup camera with our line. And if you want to go and park, you can just hit the P. We can turn our volume up or down, go to our music, phone, navigation, or our vehicle information. In the vehicle information tab, you can see your tire pressure, fluids and filters, engine and battery, and your fuel economy. You can also control the screen with this little dial. You can move that left or right, and it will scroll through everything for you, and you can push down to select. You can go back to your home. You have your traction control, automatic stop start, and we do have different drive modes in this vehicle. So we have Sport, Snow and Ice, and Tour. In Sport mode, it will change the display up there. So we have a sportier appearance, and if we go back to the normal, it will go back to normal. In the center console, we have a wireless phone charging pad that is adjustable depending on how big your phone is, and we have plenty of storage inside of there as well. We also have our glove box with pretty decent storage space, and we have all of our moonroof controls up here at the top. So you can open up the shade for the moonroof by pushing the center button. You'll also notice we have our OnStar buttons, light controls, and 3 different garage door openers. You also do have a sunglasses holder right there. But that's what it looks like with the moonroof opened. Now you can open up the glass by hitting the slide button, and it will open all the way up for you with a wind deflector for reduced noise. You can close that back by pushing the opposite side, and you can also tilt it up or down by pressing this button. We'll go ahead and close that back. We also do have a rear view camera mirror that we can turn on or off. You have a few different adjustments inside here. You can turn the brightness up or down. You can zoom in or out, and you can also move it down or up. But that is it for the interior on the 2024 Cadillac XT4 Premium Luxury. Let's take her out on the road and see how she drives. All right, so inside the Cadillac XT4, let's go ahead and do a quick maneuverability test around the parking lot. So we'll go ahead and park it forwards in a parking space and see how she does. So parking forwards is no problem at all for this SUV. It is very compact and very easy to maneuver. Now if we back up, very easy to back up into parking spaces due to our backup camera with the guidelines. We can also hit this P button to put it back in park, and if we get close to an object, like how I just was, it will beep on the screen and it'll also vibrate the seat to let you know that you're getting too close. Also, doing a U-turn in this vehicle is no problem at all. It has great handling, as I'll show you here. Very tight turning radius. We can turn in a complete circle with no problems at all. And doing 3-point turns is no issue either. So, feels like a very light maneuverable vehicle. Right now I'm in tour mode, so I'm gonna have light steering, light throttle response to get the best gas mileage and ride possible. These Cadillacs ride super well, so let's go ahead and take it out on the road, get out of the parking lot, and see how she does. But we have a very nice interior inside this vehicle. We have this massive touchscreen, we have our rear view camera mirror and our heads-up display, so we know what's going on at all times all around the vehicle. Steering is very crisp on this vehicle. Wherever I want it to go, it pretty much just goes for me. Now, like I said before, we have this 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo motor. It's gonna give me 235 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. So what I'll do is I'll flip it over into sport mode real quick, and we'll get some acceleration going. Let's go ahead and hit the gas. So it definitely gets up and goes. It's not a slouch whatsoever. Let's go ahead and see how it turns. Brakes feel very nice. Turn in is nice and tight. You do sit up a little high in this vehicle, so you definitely feel the weight in the upper portion of it. But it's not like we're driving a race car. This is a compact SUV that's made to go from point A to point B, grab groceries, and be comfortable in. Let's go ahead and flip it back over into tour mode. And just driving around, it soaks up the bumps very well. We also have plenty of active safety features like the lane keep assist that will help keep me in my lane. We have front collision, front pedestrian alert, tons of safety features in this vehicle to have a nice, safe ride. All right, I thought that guy was about to pull out in front of me, but I'm sure the front pedestrian would have caught it. But going around these turns feels nice and smooth. It is very, very quiet inside of here. So no noise at all. The only thing I hear right now is just the AC going, which I'll turn down a little bit. But we have a very quiet, comfortable ride inside this vehicle. But we can sit at this stop sign and see how she does. Let's go ahead and turn out, get out in front of these cars. No problem whatsoever. So yeah, guys, very comfortable to drive around, has great pickup, smooth, very quiet inside of here, can't complain about anything at all. What we'll do now is we'll head back to the dealership, we'll take a look at the window sticker, see how much it costs, and take one last look at the outside of this vehicle. Alright guys, so back at the dealership, I'll give you one last look at the outside, and we'll take a look at the window sticker and see how much the 2024 Cadillac XT4 Premium Luxury costs. Now, speaking of costs, if you guys are interested in this vehicle or any new or used vehicle, check out the links in the description or in the pinned comment to get the absolute best deal. But this is a very sporty, compact SUV from Cadillac with some great features inside. Let's see how much it costs. So this is the 2024 Cadillac XT4 front-wheel drive Premium Luxury. Crystal white tri-coat with a jet black and Oxford stone interior. 2-liter turbo motor with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Base price of the XT4 Premium Luxury is going to be $41,495. This one has all of these packages on it, so with destination charge, total price comes out to $48,815. Here's all the safety ratings on this vehicle. And for fuel mileage, we're going to get 24 city, 29 highway, and 26 miles per gallon combined. But here's the whole window sticker if you guys want to pause the video and take a look at it. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed watching, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe down below for more car content. You'll also see some videos here in the corners. If you see any vehicles that interest you, make sure to click on those and check them out. But that's it for today's video. I appreciate you guys watching very much, and I'll see you guys next time.